Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add keyboard language to your Windows 10. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to search on Windows and just write here language. Then you're gonna see language settings here, and as you can see I got preferred languages, Slovak language and English, and I can like change it here. So now what I'm going to do, I will click add preferred language. I can like choose, I don't know, Czech, right? Next. Install language pack, text to speech, basic writing. This is what we're looking for, basic writing, install. And now it needs to like install right now, and it will take a while. And as you can see, it's downloading right now. So this is how you do it. And then when it's going to finish, I just wait for a while. It's going to be nearly done. I can see here check keyboard. So this is how you do it, and this is how you can keyboard language to your Windows 10. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.